Today we are going to be making a Christmas table runner. All the equipment and fabric we used are linked in the description below. Firstly, cut out 2 pieces of fabric. We have made our table runner 140 centimetres by 45 centimetres. You will need to make your table runner specific to your table size. Next, to create the pointed ends, mark the centre of the fabric on the width. Then measure 25 centimetres down the fabric and mark on both sides. Now, using the marks you made, cut a straight line from both sides to the top. Place the 2 pieces of fabric right sides together and pin around the edges, making sure to leave a gap. Sew the edges together on the sewing machine, leaving 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now trim all the excess threads. Using the gap you left, turn the table runner right side around. Pin the gap closed and top stitch all around the edges on the sewing machine. And now you have your finished table runner. Thank you for watching this guide. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe below. For more how-to guides, check out our social media and our inspiration section on our website.